Right, like I haven't tried to use this color, but today let's try to see how it looks. First, do this. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, queens and kings, prince and princess. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, and I go on social media as Hairzipper, Instagram at Hairzipper, Twitter at Hairzipper. So you can also follow us if you want to see more about Hairzipper. Yes, today I'm going to try out this color that I haven't tried before, about the passion twist. Yes, you're very welcome to come and join me. Those ones who are United States, UK, United Emirates, Kenya, Nairobi, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, those ones in Abu Dhabi, China, Saudi Arabia, South Africa. Yes, you're highly welcome to join us. If it's your first time to watch our tutorials, please don't just click on the red button and ring the bell. Trust me, you're on the right track. You will have to learn a lot of things. And for you who haven't subscribed, yeah, please, this is the high time to do it, because now we're getting serious. We have to learn a lot of things, because seriously, this channel is about all kind of hairstyle. I try to make sure that I teach you everything that you would want to need about hairstyles. So you see me not talking about the passion twist, because I've been showing it to you in most of my videos that I uploaded previously. So on how we begin, how we're supposed to twist. Yes, so for those ones, if it's your first time, you can also try to look for those videos that I uploaded, or maybe we can still continue with this one, and I try to explain you some of the things that we said that were in the previous videos, so that we can all be together. So I've been telling you why I always start with threes when I'm plating passion twist. I start with threes when I'm plating passion twist. It is just because it grows well. When it is growing, it can still give me a space to lock. So and another thing, since the passion twist is cerebrally, I always start with this, because when you start with the twist, since the crochet is cerebrally and you find your hair is also cerebral, so you will need a lot of gel to make it firm. So that's why I'm like, you can use three, but still even the twisting can be done, but I chose to use the threes. It's just because of the reason that I can lock them after. So you find someone is plating them like a month, and then after you come back, then we lock them. Someone was asking me that they haven't seen those people that I do repair. Yes, we are still in this situation, so it means like all those people that I plated, they haven't come back. They're still with their hair. They're still trying to play around with them. Maybe they're styling them, but trust me, at the time they will need to repair them, I'll make sure that I show you how it looks, and you will love it. So a passion twist is that's why I do it that way. And another thing, you should have the gel. They should have the gel because the gel always help us to collect all the hair, yes, together. So and another thing, you can see how here I'm trying to apply the gel, so it's what we always do. And another thing, when we are plating, when you're plating passion twist, I make sure that I don't do it also I make sure I do it with starting like the inside corner. I told you I'm going to be showing you how to play the inside corners, and it will be easier for you when you learn how to do this. Even the inside corner will be easier for you. It's just because we just try to do it as we do it as soft as possible. You see, let me try to show you here. In that, we just do this like one, we put this one up on this one on the other side. Then when you're trying to play it, try to be as soft as possible. You don't have to be that tight because it's not good at all. Yes, when you want to protect your hair, make sure that you don't do it very tight, because at times people think that when the hair is very tight, it's when it's going to last long. But trust me, that's not the way it is. We are supposed to make it last longer, but still we're supposed to protect it. So the only thing to do so that you can have all that, just try to be as soft as possible. And at times, for me, my students, I try to tell them not to be learning from that dolls or dummies. Yes, I think the dummies, not learn from those ones, because they won't understand the painful. They won't. A dummy won't tell you that something is paining or it's pain. It's hurting when you're trying to play it. So yeah, it's good always to learn from someone, or with your sisters, with your friends. At least for them, they can tell you, and from there you will know how you can handle someone. So that is how we do play the passion twist. And I want to welcome you, everyone. I want to welcome everyone who is going to join us. The next videos are going to be very, very serious, because I want us to get to learn other things, and mostly the tricks that we should use, the communication with our clients, and finishing, because finishing is very, very important. You should know the finishing, because you might play it nicely when you have a bad finishing, then it means someone is not going to appreciate. And at times when you have a good finishing, when you have played it badly. But all in all, finishing is very, very nicely, because the one that gives a client the confidence. So as I told you, you see what I'm doing here. I first try to plate it from down you see, then when I see it works, it's when I start plating. You know why I'm doing this? It is because at times passion twist, when you're trying to twist it, let's say the clockwise, there's those times it doesn't give you the real twisting. So don't just leave it, you can still turn it and clockwise. So that's why for me, when I'm doing it, I first play it down so that I know the direction that I'm going to do to use. Yes, if you do it and clockwise, you try it today, try it when you're going to plate it, try to do it and clockwise and clockwise, you'll see the twisting will be different. So in order to maintain that, you should first know the direction that you're going to take, then you start twisting. And twisting is just very simple. You just have to twist as soft as possible so that your passion twist can remain flexible. So those are the things about the passion twist. So I want you to be very, very careful in my next video, and please try to give me your feedback. Are we learning something? Yes, are we getting something from the tutorials, so that I can also know that yes, I'm with people who are trying to learn from me, and still the thing that they're learning, they're getting it. And if you see there's some mistakes that I do, please try to go in my comment section, type and something, any question, I'll be there to answer you. So for now, this is our anti-itchy that we always use after plating. So I sign out. See you on my next videos, and trust me, this is going to be serious. I want us to be out of focus, and we try to learn everything. When I do something, try to see it, and please do it there and then. It's when we're going to learn, because it's going to be how can I say it? I'm going to be uploading every because I just added another day that I'm going to show you. So it's a Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. You understand? So let's get ready, because we are going to do this. We have to learn all this. Yes. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're still new, trust me, you'll have to learn a lot. And for now, I sign out. See you guys. I love you. Mwah.